Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. There is a big and bad news which is coming here from Infosys. Infosys has postponed all the exams and results because of the malpractices during the assessment. This is what has been published by Money Control. Also we will see what Times of India is saying, and also we will see another new channel what they are saying. Okay, so friends, let me tell you, Infosys was about to hire around 20,000 freshers, okay, including all the roles, and SPDAC role. Already the examination were ongoing. Already many of the students had finished their exams and they were waiting for the results, right? And now we are hearing this news, but one thing I don't understand, see how TCS takes the exam, right? So at the center, and there is nothing like malpractices and things like that. Why Infosys is failing to do that? See, they are telling AI can do this, AI can do that. Everywhere they're including AI, but when students are using AI in the examination, then this kind of problems are coming. That's what, see, if something you are bringing, if some technology is being evolved, there will be positive and negative sides of it, okay? But I always recommend the students do not do any kind of malpractices in the exam. Sir, aapka hi ek video hai how to cheat in the exam. See, the reason I have told in that video as well, see, if 50% of the students are involved in cheating, and if you are the one who is not, then definitely you are not going to get selected, because chat GPT or AI will give the answers in seconds, where even though you are multi-talented or you are very much talented, you will not be able to get the answer in that time. So please don't take me wrong, we have to go with the flow, okay? Simple. Now here you see, Infosys defers hiring test for 20,000 plus candidates after spotting impersonation assessment malpractices reports. Okay, I don't want to read more. The IT services measure emphasize that the postponement will not alter its recruitment strategy, but they will still be hiring. Okay, they might they will be definitely conducting the exam later, but it will happen for sure. That's what they're telling. So we are just deferring it, we are just postponing it, but we are not cancelling the exam. So exams are not cancelled, please don't worry about that. The recruitment assessments are conducted through Infosys Springboard and the company's digital learning and skill platform. Okay, Infosys has postponed online assessment and in-person evaluation for more than 20,000 candidates after the identifying several cases of impersonation and malpractices during its recruitment process, the Times of India reported. Okay, so now see, this Money Control is telling Times of India reported, Times of India will tell this reported. Okay, we don't know how much these reports are true, but definitely there is some inputs has come from the CEO. Okay, I guess let's see. So what Times of India is telling now. Chalo bhai. So Infosys has deferred online assessment test and in-person evaluation for more than 20,000 job applications for detecting multiple instances of impersonation and candidate assessment malpractices during the hiring assessment. So if Times of India is telling, that means it is true. The company, which recruits from 300 to 400 colleges across India every year, postponed assessment for a specialist programmer and digital specialist programmer engineer candidates after uncovering attempts to game the evaluation process. Infosys has since introduced additional guardrails and verification checks to preserve the integrity of its hiring assessment. Okay, so in a mail to candidate, the company said, we have an update regarding the online hiring exam for the specialist programmer and digital roles. So the schedule assessment has been deferred. We will reach out to the candidate with an updated schedule once the revised plan is finalized. We truly appreciate your flexibility and understanding. The revised exam date will be shared with all the registered candidates in due course. So that is the reason many candidates who has already attempted the exams, they are also receiving the new link to write the examination. Okay, because their software has detected some kind of malpractices during the examination. We have informed all affected candidates and will communicate the revised. So there is no change in the plan of hiring. I know the candidate, the company added more than 20,000 freshers in 2026 and indicated a similar intake target in 2027, right? So this is the detail. That's all. So the source is Times of India, Money Control. Okay, people matters, because nowadays, no, if there is no source, then company will be behind me only, okay, that I am only doing all those things, or I am simply telling all those things. So that is the reason the source is very much required. So you do not have to get panic, my dear friends. You keep your preparation in the similar way how you are doing, and if there is any update, we will definitely bring it in front of you. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best.